Understanding the phrase, nail it, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, a phrase that you might have heard quite often in movies, TV shows, or even in daily conversations. Nail it. If you're curious about what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and explore the meaning and usage of nail it together. The phrase, nail it, is an idiomatic expression in English, and it is often used to describe a situation where someone accomplishes something successfully or performs exceptionally well. For example, if someone delivers a perfect speech, hits a home run in baseball, or aces a test, you might say they nailed it. It's a way to give someone a compliment and acknowledge their success. The phrase carries a positive and encouraging tone, and it is quite informal. Let's go through some examples to help you understand how to use nail it in different contexts. 1. After a performance. If a friend has a music performance and they play their instrument perfectly, you could say, "You really nailed it." 2. In work or school. When someone delivers a great presentation, you can compliment them by saying, "Great job on the presentation, you really nailed it." 3. During sports events. After a fantastic play or move, he nailed it with that three-point shot. 4. In daily conversations. When someone gives a perfect answer to a question, "That's exactly right. You nailed it." In all these examples, nail it is used to express admiration for someone's performance or achievement. It's important to note that nail it is an informal phrase and is best used in casual settings. It might not be appropriate for very formal or serious situations. Additionally, it's a positive expression, so it wouldn't be used to describe failure or a mistake. And that's a wrap on nail it. Now you know what this popular phrase means and how to use it in different contexts. Remember, it's all about acknowledging and celebrating success, no matter how big or small. We hope this video has helped clarify things for you, and as always, keep practicing your English and don't be afraid to try using new phrases like this one in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.